Namaste, I am Manjula. Welcome to Manjula's kitchen. Today I will be making Tawa Naan. Naan is the most popular bread in the Indian restaurants. Traditionally, naan is cooked in Tandoor, a hot clay oven. I have done the naan recipe before using the oven, and I used pizza stone to give a tandoor texture. But I find at home tawa naan is much easier to make. Tawa naan turns out soft and it tastes great. Hassle free, no tandoor and no oven needed. Naan goes well with chole, palak paneer or any gravy based dish. This recipe will serve too. To make tawa naan we will need 1 cup of all purpose flour, plain flour or maida, 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1½ tablespoon of oil, 1/4 cup of yogurt at room temperature, about 1/4 cup of lukewarm water. We also need some all-purpose flour. It will help us rolling the naan. For garnishing, we need 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. I like to use the grainy salt, 1 teaspoon of chopped green chili, 1 tablespoon of chopped cilantro, hara dhania. I am ready to make the dough. First I will mix all the dry ingredients together. So here is all-purpose flour, baking soda, salt, sugar. Mix it well. Now add the oil. Save about ½ tablespoon of oil. We will use that later. Okay, and yogurt. Mix it. And now I will mix it with fingers. Mix it well. Now add the water, but add the water slowly. Dough should be for naan soft but not sticking to your fingers. Okay, little more. I used 1/4 cup of water, and for naan, dough should be kneaded well. So just remove it from the bowl. Put little bit all-purpose flour on the surface and then knead it. Okay, like I said, dough should be soft, but it shouldn't be sticking. So as you see, this is a very soft dough, and just put the little bit oil on the dough all around and keep it in a bowl and cover it and let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours in a warm place. I have already made this dough about 3 hours before, so it's ready to make the naan, but first I am going to knead a little bit more. Dough is looking good, very soft, so I'm going to knead. Just put a little bit of flour and knead again. Naan comes out better if the dough is kneaded well. And now just oil your fingers and divide it in 4 equal parts. Put little bit flour again, and this time just make the ball while you are kneading it. Okay. For naan, we don't make the ball like this. It has to be done in this manner. Just bring it together And now cover them and let it sit for about 10 minutes. So while this is here, I will mix the garnishing: cilantro, green chili, and salt. Just mix it well. I am ready to make the naan. To make tawa naan, do not use the non-stick skillet. Iron skillet works the best. Heat is on medium. So I am ready to roll the naan. First put little bit all-purpose flour on the surface you are going to roll. Okay. So roll it about 7 inch in diameter. If it is flipping, just add little bit more dry flour. Pick it up, roll it again. You can roll round or make it in oval shape. Naan shouldn't be very thin. Okay, so now I am ready to put this on a skillet. But first let's see if the skillet is ready. Just put few drops of water and it is sizzled, so this is ready. Now we are going to put few drops of water over the naan and just spread it. And make sure the wet part goes in the bottom. So while this is getting ready, I can roll the another one. And just pinch it a little bit because we don't want naan to puff. It should be dry from the surface before we will turn. This should take almost a minute. As you see, now the flour is getting dry. So it's all dry, and now here it comes. You need to flip the skillet and just go around. It shouldn't be on very high heat, otherwise it will cook very fast and dough will not cook through. And this is the reason you cannot use the non-stick pan. Otherwise, naan would just slide away. And just keep peeking. Color is looking really good. So naan is ready. So take it out and see, it will remove very easy. And see other side, it looks really good. Now we are going to make the another naan. Okay, garnish the naan. It has given very nice color, looking great. If you don't like hot, then don't use the green chili. Okay. Naan is ready to serve. Naan is looking fantastic, very soft texture. Today I will be serving this with Punjabi chole. Thank you. Till we meet again, check out more recipes on manjulaskitchen.com. Also look for my ebook on Amazon, Best of Indian Vegetarian Recipes. Thank you.